Hello, everyone. My name is Stan. In this video, I'm going to share you the knowledge how to edit photos and manage web album use Picasa. In the old days, you simply threw away your badly exposed or blemished photos. Nowadays, you can use photo editing programs such as Picasa to correct your photos. The Picasa is a Google program that has quickly become very popular. Not only is the program free, it also offers a wide variety of photo editing options and features an easy-to-use interface. In most cases, you will be able to enhance your photo in such a way that you can use it for a multitude of purposes. In this video, you will learn about the different ways to save your enhanced photos. If you want to make sure your original photos remain intact, it's important that you use the correct method for storing the files. The text editing functions will be discussed only briefly. The emphasis will be on the online processing of data. You will learn the following topics from this video. First, the video will teach you how to download and install Picasa. Then, you will learn how to import your photos into the library. Second, you will learn how to view and organize photos and then edit photos. You will learn how to do that. Finally, you will learn how to save, export, and restore photos by Google Picasa. I hope you will enjoy this video and learn a lot from it. Let's start it. In Chapter 8.1, I am going to introduce that how to download and install Picasa. First, you will need to download Picasa. Before you can install the program, this is how you download the program. First at all, please open Internet Explorer. Browse to www.google.com/Picasa. Click Download Picasa. If the download process doesn't start automatically, click here. Then click Run. Picasa will be downloaded. Click I agree to accept the license term. Click Install. Picasa will be installed. You will see the Picasa 3 setup window. Please uncheck the boxes next to Set Google as my default search engine in IE. Send anonymous usage states to Google. And run Picasa 3. After all, click Finish and close Internet Explorer. The topic of Chapter 8.2 is Import your photos in Picasa. The first time you open Picasa, the program will search your computer for images. On your desktop, you will see a new shortcut to Picasa. Double-click the icon to open the program. Click the radio button next to Only Scan to only scan my documents, my pictures, and the desktop. Then click Continue. Please note that if you have not saved all of your photos in the My Documents or My Pictures folders, you can search your entire computer for pictures with the second option. However, in that case, Picasa will also include other types of images in its library, such as buttons and icons. Your computer might contain hundreds of these images. That's why it's recommended to select the first option and add other photo folders to Picasa later on. The Picasa program includes a photo viewer. When you start up Picasa for the first time, you can set this viewer as your default viewer. The default viewer option is enabled. All file formats are selected. If your screen looks different, please check the boxes next to all the file formats. Then click Finish. Picasa will start searching for images in the selected folders on your computer's hard drive. Folders which contain images or videos will be displayed in the Picasa library. The photos that are found will be displayed in the Startup window. The library. Here is the folder list. Here is the thumbnail overview. And here is the photo tray. Please note that your screen may look different. Here is a tip for you about changing the order. By default, the folders are displayed by creation date. If you would like to sort them differently, you can change the sorting type. In the top left of the window, please click here. Then choose the desired type for sorting order. The topic of Chapter 8.3 is Viewing and Managing Photos. You can use the thumbnail view to search for photos and view them. To view your pictures, click the Other Pictures folder. Double-click one of the pictures. You will see the photo appear in the Edit window. The information on this photo is displayed under the photo. With the button left and the button right, you can view the other photos. Click button left. You will see the previous photo. Click button right to continue. Then click Back to Library. This will take you back to the library. When Picasa is scanning your hard drive for images, the program will return the classification of the folders in the same structure you see in Windows Explorer. You can change this classification in Picasa. If you want to arrange your photos differently in Picasa, this is how you do it. Place the mouse pointer on the picture. Drag the photo to the folder. Now, you will see the Confirm Move window. To confirm the move, click Move Files. To view the photo in a different folder, click this folder in the folder list. Click the folder, and then you will see the photos in this folder. Here is a tip for you about albums. If you move a photo in Picasa, it will also be moved on your computer's hard drive. If you don't want that to happen, or if you want to organize your Picasa photos in a different way, you can use albums. In an album, you can incorporate links to photos in various folders without the actual photos being moved. To create an album, click the Picture of Plus folder, and then type a name for the album. At the bottom of the window, click OK. You will see this new album at the top of the folder list. You can drag various links to photos to this album. The original photo will remain stored in the folder. Albums are especially useful if you want to collect all the photos on a single subject from different folders. You can delete pictures in the same way as you delete Windows items. Please click the picture and then press Delete. To confirm the deletion, click Delete Image. Please note that if you delete a photo from Picasa, this photo will also be removed from your hard disk. If you have accidentally deleted the wrong photo, you can restore it via the Windows recycling bin. Here is another tip for you about browsing with scroll bars. In the thumbnail view, the operation of the scroll bar is a little different from the standard Windows action. To scroll through the folders, click here. Or here. To scroll through the photos, click here or here, or drag the scroll bar up or down. The topic of chapter 8.4 is editing photos. Nowadays, you can use Picasa to correct a photo that is badly exposed or blemished, whereas in the past you may have simply discarded such a picture In many cases, the correction will be so successful that you can print the photo in a regular way or use it in a slideshow. First of all, open the folder. Double-click the picture. And then click here to rotate the photo. Enhancing a photo involves a number of steps. To accomplish improvements quickly, you may want to try Picasa's automatic correcting option first. Please click I'm feeling lucky. This will correct the exposure as well as the sharpness and the colors of the picture. Here is a tip for you about manual correction of photos. With I'm feeling lucky, the photo will be corrected automatically. If this doesn't produce the desired result, you can try to enhance the photo manually. Click the other tabs. Here you can correct the exposure and color setting yourself. The photo has become sharper and clearer. If you don't like the result, click Undo like the result. Now you are going to straighten the church. Click Straighten. Drag the slider to the right until the vertical alignment of the church is straight. If you are satisfied, click Apply. Now, you are going to remove part of the empty square in front of the church. Click Crop. To prevent problems while printing the photo or using it in slideshows, you will need to maintain the current height and width ratio. Click the select box and then choose current ratio. Now, you are going to select a new corner and drag the photo from there. Place the mouse pointer somewhere to the bottom right-hand side of the photo. Drag the mouse up diagonally until the church is placed within the selection area. If you are satisfied with the result, click Apply. If you want to select the area once more, click Cancel. If you see spots or other smudges on the photo, you can retouch the photo. First, you will need to enlarge the photo. In the bottom right of the window, please drag the slider at the bottom right to 100%. In the thumbnail, you will see room to 100%. Place the mouse pointer in the photo. the pointer will turn into a symbol of a hand. Please drag the photo until you see the scratch mark to the right of the cathedral. Click Retouch. Now, the mouse pointer will turn into a small circle. To enlarge the circle, please drag the slider by brush size to the right a bit. Position the circle on the scratch mark. Click the stretch mark. Place the circle on an area that has the correct color. Click that area. Now the scratch mark has disappeared. Click Apply. If you want to try this again, please click Cancel. Here is a tip for you about undoing changes. You can undo each edit step by step by clicking Undo Retouches. The button will show you which operation will be undone. In Chapter 8.5, I am going to introduce how to save and restore photos. Saving a photo in Picasa is different from other programs because the original photo will always be saved as well. This is why you will always be able to restore the original version, if necessary, even after you have saved an altered version. Now, please choose a photo. Click File, and then click Save. Please note that you can only save photos that have been edited in Picasa. You now see the Save menu. Please click Save. Since Picasa always makes a copy of your original photo, you will be able to restore it if necessary. For this, you have two options. Please click File, and then click Revert. You will see the Revert window. Please click Revert here. Now, you can see the original photo. Return to the library. Or you can select Undo Save if you want to keep the changes you have made. In Picasa, you can always go back and undo all the edits one by one if you change your mind later, or you can use this version of the photo and make new corrections. Select Revert if you want to undo all the changes and return to the original photo. Revert. Please note that these functions will only work in Picasa. If you have subsequently edited the photo in another program, reverting back to the original photo will not work.